Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Hope you had a great day, having a great day whenever you watch this video. My name is Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Today is Friday, guys. Friday. So happy it's Friday. I'm sorry, I was looking out the window. Seems like it's been a long week, but nevertheless, I'm glad that I made it through the week. I hope you guys are still staying healthy and safe. Right now, I'm downstairs in the basement doing laundry. I usually do my laundry on Saturdays, but I have some running around to do tomorrow, and I want to do some things with the kids tomorrow if the weather permits it. So I figured let me go ahead and do laundry today. Well, I text Taylor because she stayed home today with my mom. So I text her and asked her if she could go ahead and do her laundry so that when I got in, I wouldn't really have to worry about it. So when I texted her, she said, Mommy, I already did my laundry, and I also did Tyson's. So shout out to my baby girl. She is amazing. She is wonderful. She's a great big sister, a great daughter. She is amazing. Y'all probably hear Tyson coming down the steps. But anyway, so I'm doing our laundry right now, and tomorrow I need to go Father's Day shopping. So I don't know if I mentioned this in another vlog that I had went to Marshall's the other day to see what I could find for Father's Day, and the line was just hanging out the door. So it was after I had got off of work, so I did not wait in the line. So I decided I'll probably just get up early tomorrow morning. Please excuse my little edges for my hair, but so I guess I'll just get up tomorrow morning and I'll go before, you know, it gets a line and see what I can find. I hate to do last minute shopping, but yeah, so what was I saying? Lord have mercy. Yeah, I don't like to do stuff last minute, but because of, you know, everything that's going on. So tomorrow's my last day to figure out what I'm gonna get for Dad tomorrow. What else was I going to mention? I can't remember what else I was going to mention, guys, but I'm going to do a little experiment with the kids today. It's called the magic milk experiment. I think that's what it is. So I think that's what it's called. So I'm going to do that with the kids really quickly. Like I said, I have some things I want to do with them tomorrow. If it doesn't rain, it's supposed to be really hot this weekend, but it's supposed to rain every day, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I think Monday too, if I'm not mistaken. So we will see what the weather will let us do tomorrow. I can't remember. It was something else I wanted to tell you guys. I had so much to tell you because I haven't vlogged in 2 days. It was some other stuff that I wanted to tell you, but I cannot remember what it was. But anyway, if I remember, guys, I will come back and tell you guys.
System breakdown could cost you thousands of dollars, but not with CarShield, America's #1 car protection provider.
CarShield takes $2,000. Why do I have a giant head?
Affordable and no long-term contract.
When customers realize that they're getting a fine.
Can they talk?
You can play. I just don't want to.
The only way we're going to hold on. Usually you can forward, but you want to make that? You want to make that?
Welcome back. Like I said, secrets to tell. Please leave Ron.
You make that,
This
please.
relationship has gotten too serious and he's here to end it today.
Okay. You did really.
Alright guys, this is what I fixed the kids for dinner tonight. They just had some chicken strips and french fries because today is Friday. It's Friday and I do not typically do too much cooking on Fridays. Just my day that I decided that, you know, if I cooked all week long, Friday is just my day to relax. So I just throw something in the oven really quickly, sandwiches, hot dogs, order out, something of that nature. But today I just did chicken strips and fries. My hair's all tied up because I'm about to change my shirt and go ahead and film the video, the haul, the children's place haul. So I put this, hope y'all can hear me over the kids. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. That's what my hair is all tied up. Taylor, Tyson, come on. So I'm about to feed them, and then I'm gonna go ahead on up the steps so that I can film the video before I don't feel like it, because I really don't feel like it. I'm a little tired. What? You don't want no food? We'll put that in the trash.
I want it. I want it.
Okay, we'll throw it in the trash.
I want soup.
Here, Taylor. Hey guys, sorry about that. All right, so I am back. I just finished doing the clothing haul, the children's place clothing haul. So go check out that video because that definitely is going to go out tomorrow morning before this vlog goes out. Tyson, ain't nobody call you. You can get your clothes, boo. So this is the first time she actually, hold on y'all, this is the first time she's actually seen the clothes.
Okay. I'm gonna have a sticker.
Okay.
It's kind of like that Snapchat post the way you work Springbok.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
I'm glad you like it, boo. And it's not all the stuff. It's still like 4 pieces that have not even been shipped out yet. So it's still 4 items that I'm waiting to. They say that it's being processed.
I want to have you.
No, that's Taylor's clothes. Taylor needed some new clothes. Her clothes was getting a little tight.
Huh?
Yeah, so I can show the vlog because that video will be up before. So.
They just need 5 minutes.
Stop doo-doo.
They don't have to take on your go. Sticker. Unicorn for life.
But all right, boo. So you can go ahead and put your clothes on up. Mama is going downstairs.
Can I just take a
Yeah, you can take a look at that. Show you his shirt because I guess Taylor got some new shirt. Show him your shirt. Show him the Incredible Hulk. Turn around. No, right here. Turn around right here. Yeah. Say hero. That's what that say, hero. You got Incredible Hulk, Spider-Man. No, I'm sorry, Spider-Man. And what's his name? Iron Man. Yeah, Iron Man. Did you finish eating your food?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. Did you finish eating your food then?
Yes.
I don't believe it. Hey guys, so I'm sitting here editing the vlog, and I'm trying to do better with ending the vlog. So I did not end the vlog again. So I decided, hey, let me come on now and end the vlog. I'm going to try my best to do better with just not saying, you know, what I say at the end or doing an outro. I'm going to do better with doing an outro. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If so, you know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell so you know when your girl posts another video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.